semoga semua baik-baik aja ya.
Nah, hari ini
Mbak Cina boleh.
dan anak boleh
Dan Ana
atau
boleh.
tangga yang karaoke guys. Amazing, seru juga ya. Jadi Ana lagi hari ini mau apa?
Stretching.
Stretching workout
Ah.
lagi. Oke guys, jadi hari ini saya akan ikutin Ana workout lagi. Jadi saya mau join workout session X Gymnast. Ready?
Ready. Are
Oke,
you ready?
ready, let's go.
Okay,
So,
let's start
Ana-
from like
Kalau dari kalian belum lihat video kemarin, Ana sangat-sangat jago stretching guys. Wow, хорошо. Хорошо itu bahasa Rusia, artinya enak, bagus. Bahunya di stretch juga, bro. Iya. Tangga kita kan sangat seru di kompleks kita. Tuh, hold it. Guys, kita nggak tahu kalau nanti di video kedenger juga enggak, tapi lucu banget lagi ada yang karaoke. Oke.
do like this.
Okay, I'm going back.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow, this feels so good.
Mm-hmm.
Stretching those arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2,
Oh,
3.
spider. Okay.
Ada laba-laba guys. Okay, what else?
What else?
What else?
What else?
Oh,
Let's do.
okay. I can only this. Oh yeah, put your hand in the spider.
Oh, just looking at him.
Lama juga guys. Amazing. Gantung lagi.
Sedikit.
Okay, enough.
Okay. So you wanna go split ya?
Yes, jadi guys, Ana sangat-sangat jagokan split karena dia ex gymnast. Jadi aku mau minta sama Ana ajarin kita untuk split juga. Gimana Ana split? Oh, jadi ini kita harus warm up the legs. Jadi in order to be able to split, you need to stretch your legs ya.
Nah, warm up.
Warm up those legs.
Okay.
Ini
Nah.
ada laba-laba di pohon. Okay. So now, hi Chiki. Woohoo, I feel the stretch. Woohoo. Here, yeah. This is stretching.
Yeah.
The mosquitoes are stretching with us too. Okay, change the leg or no? No? Oh.
Try to go to
Like that, guys. Chiki is stretching too today. Joining the stretch.
Now we're going.
Oh.
Yeah, you see bisa.
Oh, amazing.
Change leg.
Oh, change leg now. I was not ready. Oh, your leg is more in front, yeah?
It should be like opposite.
90 degrees. 90 derajat, guys. We have watchers. Ciki ada penonton kita. Oh, this leg ya. Hai Ciki.
Hi, Kiki. Oke, duduk. Our favorite.
Oke, kita duduk sekarang. Oke.
You already
We have one more friend here, guys, stretching with us. 3.
Forward.
Ini stretching toes, guys.
Hey. Little by little, try to go in front.
Like this, guys.
Okay.
And now, wait, can you go now? We're working out, Chiki. Stay there, stay there. Stay there, stay there. Okay. So now she doesn't want to stay there. Okay lah, kita workout with Chiki. Sit, sit, at least sit, sit. Oh, amazing. Hi, Chiki.
Ah.
Ah, something is biting me. Okay, wait. One is here.
What is it?
And one, move it. Oh, guys, it's hurting so much. Oh, oh, Anna, what are you doing? You're gonna break it.
Okay, let's
Okay, wait.
change.
I don't think I can like this. Wait, how you did it? Like this?
Like this.
Like this? Oh, it's hurting so much. Ah, enough.
Okay, let's change it.
Let's change. Okay. I was like this, and now how? I forgot. Like this, yeah.
This one.
Oh, this in the back. Ugh.
This one should be straight. I think grass in my elbow.
Ana makan rumput, guys. Vegan.
Vegan. Organic.
Natural.
So this
You
one.
have hair in your mouth too?
Okay.
Okay. So now, oh, we take this leg here, and this leg. Oh my god! But my leg is not going, guys. Kaki saya dia mundur-mundur. Bedakan. Oh.
It's okay for
Oh.
It's okay, remember.
Ah.
Just relax. Sometimes.
Santai. Santai
let's
apa
do
nih?
it.
Stretching, stretching. Okay, now. Excuse me, macet.
Permisi.
Permisi, Ibu. Oh, I can.
You see, every
Not
time
really.
better, better, better.
You need to push it.
Mm-hmm.
And look at anak-anak santai.
No, and after you trying to go from,
Tuh, kalian yang nonton ada yang bisa split enggak ya? Tuh gitu, guys. Gitu. Oh, keren banget. Gitu.
Okay,
Seru
so
kan?
one more for the split.
Oh, oke.
So now you go to my car, but I go to your car.
But I cannot.
As much as you can.
It's a frog from Russia.
Guys, here you.
Yeah, I feel so much. Guys, tapi ini kodok dari Rumania nggak bisa. Kodok dari Rusia tuh udah jago tuh. Dari Rumania belum. You never know.
Okay.
Okay. Hello? Oh, thanks God. Oh, not yet, guys. Oh, but this is nice. I like this one.
This one is very nice.
Stretching the back. Karena kan di my back juga ada masalah. Jadi itu enak banget kalau di stretch my back. Tapi ya nggak terlalu
Are you
cantik.
ready? Are you ready?
So how? But you go like this or like this?
You can go like this and like this. You want like this?
I don't know. Up to you.
Let's go. Maybe go more there, huh?
More here.
It's not enough. The carpet is not enough for the legs.
Wait, Anna! I think my
What the?
guys!
Censored.
My back!
pants is bagus.
Karena celana saya hari ini nggak stretching guys, jadi bukan legging tapi celana kayak di rumah gitu. Amazing lah. Ana need to buy me pants now. Karena split Ana nih, celana saya udah rusak. Oke lah, jadi kita udah dah.
Iya, kalau suka video ini
Jangan lupa guys, kalau Ana juga punya YouTube channel dan Instagram namanya
Anna Witkovska.
Dan guys, kalau mau split lagi jangan ya. Oke.
Take one more pants with you.
Yes. Begitulah video kita hari ini, semoga suka. Udahlah, bye. Harus ganti celana.